first part of this topic, I have explained a few rules regarding subject verb concord. And today let's see the remaining rules. First of all, we can see the rules regarding time, money, weight and distance. When the expressions of time, money, weight and distance are given in a sentence, they are always singular even if the form is plural. See the examples. 2 years is a long time to wait. 2 years, it is plural, but still we have used the auxiliary is. $1 million was given back to the owner. Dollars, $1 million, it is plural, but we have used the auxiliary was. See, I have told you the expressions of time, money, weight and distance are in singular form. But when the amount of money refers to separate units, then the verb is plural. See the example, 5 25-centavo coins were found. There I am specifying the coins. How many coins are there? 5 coins. That is why we have used were. Then 60 100 peso bills were added to the budget. There 60 is giving importance. Okay, that is why we have used were. There are some words which are always considered as plural, and those words are pants, trousers, pliers, scissors, shears and tongs. So when we are using these words in a sentence, we have to always use the plural verbs. But there is a rule that when the word pair is used along with these words, like a pair of scissors, a pair of pants, a pair of trousers, then the verb is singular. You can see the examples here. The pants are torn into two. They are pants. It is plural. We have to consider it as plural. That is why we have used are. But in the second example, you can see the pair of scissors was placed. The pair, that is singular. That is why we have used the auxiliary was. There are some nouns, though they are in plural form, they are singular in meaning and therefore take singular verbs. Like mathematics is my favorite subject. It is ending with S. Mathematics ending with S, but it is singular. There we have to use singular verb. The latest news is alarming to the public. News, again it is showing the plural form, but it is actually a singular noun. That is why we have used singular verbs. Civics, economics, politics, all these are coming under this one. This one is very important. Many of the students used to make mistake in this one. When the word is preceded by a, it takes a plural verb. And when it is preceded by the, it takes a singular verb. See the example here. A number of students are waiting outside. Students are there. Students, it is plural. Then we have used a number. So when we are using a in front of the plural nouns, that is always plural verb. But see the second example, the number of students outside is not recorded yet. Students is again plural, but we have used the article the. So when the noun is preceded by the article the, it takes a singular verb. When fractions are used in a sentence, the verb agrees with the object of the phrase. 1/2 of the cake was consumed. So what is the object here? Cake is the object. And what is the nature of it? Is it singular or plural? It is singular. So we have to use singular verb. That is why we have used was. 1/4 of the employees were attending the seminar. Object is employees, that is plural. That is why we have used auxiliary were. There are some nouns which can act both as singular and plural. And they are athletics, genetics, politics, gymnastics, statistics. When the noun refers to an organized activity, it is singular. And when the noun refers to the activities of individuals within a group or to varied activities, it is plural. Gymnastics is very popular among girls. There it is referring to an organized activity. That is why it is singular. And see the second example, the gymnastics shown in the field today were outstanding. Here Gymnastic is referring to the activity of individuals within a group. That is why the auxiliary where is used over there. The name of a country is always regarded as singular even though it ends with S. For example, Philippines is a wondrous place. It is ending with S. But doesn't matter, it is always singular. Adjectives used as nouns are considered plural. See the example, the poor are to be helped. It is actually the poor people are to be helped. So poor is here an adjective. And the adjectives that is used as nouns are considered always plural. The efficient are what this country needs. Efficient is the adjective there and it is acting as a noun. So we have to use the plural form of the verb. Collective nouns may be singular or plural depending on whether the individual members are acting individually or collectively. See the collective nouns like committee, company, group, crowd, jury, flock, team. All these can be either singular or plural depending on the individual members or the collective members. See the first example, the committee is against the plan. Here the committee is showing a group of people standing under the same chair. They are under the same head. That is a collective group in a singular way. That is why we have used the singular verb. But in the second example, the committee are of different opinions. Obviously, we know in a committee, number of people are there. So, each one is acting individually. Means, imagine 10 are there, 10 are having different opinions. That is why we have used the auxiliary are. In the use of mathematical expressions, the following are accepted. Means when we are using addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, there are some different rules. If we are using the word plus minus for addition and subtraction, plus and minus if we are using, it is always singular. But when we are using the word and or are, like 7 and 3 are 10, 5 times 2 are 10. So these areas we have to consider it as plural, but if we are using the words plus and minus, it is always singular. The next point is very simple. The titles of books, plays, articles, movies are regarded as singular even though the words in the title may be plural. Like for example, Gulliver Travels is an extraordinary novel. Travels, it is plural. But still it is the name of a book, the title of a book, so it is always singular. Names of organizations take up singular verb when the whole organization is referred to, and it takes a plural verb when the members are referred to. See the example, Lopez and Sons is a successful organization. There Lopez and Sons is mentioning the organization. It is a singular subject. That is why the verb is also singular. But see in the second example, Lopez and Sons are holding a 2-day annual meeting. There it is referring to the members of this institution, Lopez and Sons. The members are obviously plural. That is why we have used the plural verb. If a sentence begins with the explicitive it, the verb is always singular, even if the subject that follows the verb is plural. For example, it is the schools which must assume that responsibility. So, we are giving importance and explicitive importance to the word it. That is why we have used the singular form of the verb. Even though schools is plural, we have to use a singular verb because we are using the explicitive it. Then the next one, it is us who must take care of the environment. It is us. There it is having the importance. Even though us is plural, we are not using are there, it is. So this is all about the rules on subject-verb agreement. I hope you understood completely, and keep one thing in your mind that you have to practice it. Practice makes a man perfect. You have to do some exercises, then you can be master in this subject-verb agreement. Thank you for watching.